So this is how you can fix dead pixels on your iPhone, or any phone for that matter. Let's go ahead and open up Google or Safari, and I'm gonna teach you all about dead pixels. Dead pixels are basically broken pixels from your phone. As you can see, it's something like this, where there's a black spot on your screen, or just something going on that shouldn't appear on your screen. Whether it's a black screen, or maybe different colors like this one, it's all dead pixels. Now, how does this happen? Well, when you drop your phone, it might break, or there may be problems inside, but how do you actually fix it? Right now, you can't actually do anything yourself unless you know how to fix phones, but you can do a little bit of research on where to find them. So, go on Google and then search up tech shops near me, and then you're going to want to visit those tech shops and then ask to get your phone repaired. If you have an iPhone, I fully recommend going to Apple stores because they give you original screens and they're going to last longer than these tech shop ones, because usually the tech shops use other kinds of screens that may not be compatible with your phone, so it might damage it even more. But basically, the only thing you can do for your dead pixels is to get them fixed or repaired at a tech shop. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.